Hi YouTubers, I am back with another video. This time is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. I know the Note 5 has been out for a while, but this here is the what? The Gold Edition, 64 gigs. Most people that have the Gold Edition already only have 32 gigs. But I need 64. I'm actually going to be using this phone. Most people that have this phone, they either got it for free or got it to show, and they're not really going to use it like I will. But guess what? I paid for this myself, so guess what? I'm going to use it. So now let's start out with the unboxing. Mine is from T-Mobile. Yes, I am with T-Mobile. Alright, let's do this. Alright, Samsung. On the back. Everything on it. 4G LTE capable, 64-bit octa-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, 5.7-inch quad HD Super AMOLED. Alright, wireless charging capable. Alright, let's get started with it. Alright, here we go. Let's cut it open. Oh, you see my knife? Yes, stainless steel. Alright, let's do it. I'm gonna open only one side of it. Open it up, let's see. Can I get this open? Alright, what do we have here? Yeah, I don't want to show that. Oh, look at this. Oh, you'll see the gold. Yes. Now look at this. I've been having so many problems with the pen putting it in backwards. So now they have a warning saying, be sure to insert your S Pen with the nib pointed inward. Inserting the S Pen the wrong way can cause it to become stuck and can damage the pen and your phone. Wow. Some people don't even know how to put their pen in right. Look at this thing. Let me put some light on there. Ooh. Yes, honey. Yes. This is nice. Look at that. See that gold right there? That's gold. Ooh. Okay, what else do they have in the box? Okay, let's put the phone to the side. I'm excited. Can you tell? Okay. Start guide. Return label. We don't need that because I'm not returning anything. Terms, conditions, return policy, limited warranty. And we have the little SIM tray remover thing here. See that? Alright, what else do we have in here? Let's see. We have headphones. Oh, these are nice. Look in the little package. They did that very nice. Alright, let me put that back in there. USB cable. Okay. Let's see. Charger head. Look. Fast charging. Adaptive fast charging. And then they have the little S Pen tips. And the little thing to take it out with. Alright. Alright. I'm excited. What about you? Maybe not as much as me, huh? I'm doing this. Unboxing. Yeah. That is nice. Ooh. Let me take this off here. Feels good in the hand. But like they said, it does get smudged fast. Y'all see that? Let me lay it down for you. Lay it on top of the box so y'all can see that. Do y'all see that? Y'all see how nice that is? Feels good in the hand. Feels so good in the hand, but the thing that gets me about this is feels good in the hand, but guess what? I have to have cases for mine. I Can't go without a case. Because if I break this glass, oh, it's over. 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 Alright, let's see. Let's turn it on. See what happens here. Ooh. See, with my other one, my Note 4, when I unboxed it, the battery wasn't in it. But with this one, of course, you can't take the battery out. So the battery is already in. You hear that sound? Yes, that's T-Mobile, baby. T-Mobile. Alright, it only comes with 22% battery. So I'm gonna set this up, and I'll come back in another video and show you a little tips and tricks that I've learned from this. This was just an unboxing of the new gold. See that gold? You see how shiny? You see that gold? See that gold? See the back of it? Oh, see how it's curved? You see that? That is nice. Nice. And see, I like how T-Mobile does not brand their stuff. They don't put T-Mobile on it. This is nice. Very, very nice. And I like how the speakers are now on the bottom, with the speaker is now on the bottom. And I like how the headset jack is on the bottom now too, because usually I'll be playing my music or whatever, or talking, and it's up here and the wire and hang across it and it touch the screen and all that kind of stuff. So I do like that. Let's see if my pen works. Pop out. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Ooh, that feels good in the hand. No, don't put it in that way. Don't want to try it. All right. So my next video is gonna be tips and tricks that I can do on this. Also, I'm gonna do a video on a couple cases that I got to go with it. I'll let my son do that video. But this is what it looks like, guys. It's very nice, I'm telling you. If you want this gold one, I'm telling you, it's the best way to go. I started to do the sapphire. I had that one ordered, and I traded that one back in for this one, because this is awesome. I'm loving it already. I hate that I even have to put a case on it. I really don't even want to put a case on it. Like, why? But I'm going to charge it up, because it doesn't have much of a charge. I'm going to go through all my little steps and everything. But thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Loving, loving, loving my phone. Thank you. Bye.